Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're wondering and wanting to change your TikTok region or country, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in. First of all, you can go ahead and open up the TikTok application on your screen. And once you open it up, you can go to your profile in the bottom right corner. So, go ahead and tap on it, and that should open up your profile page like this on your screen. Now, the next step you need to do is once you open up your profile, you can just go ahead and access the menu, which should be available in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on it and open up your menu, and that should open up a menu. Select the option of settings and privacy and go to your settings. Access your settings on your screen. Now, in order to change your country or region, you need to go ahead and go to your account settings. Go ahead and tap on the option called account very first on the top of your screen. Tap on it and you should open up your account. From here, you can select the option of account information, the very first option that appears on your screen, and tap on it. Now that you open up your account information, here you will be finding option for your account reason. You can just go ahead and tap on that option located and tap on it, and that should open up your account reason here. That should be available here. Now all you gotta do is basically go ahead and select up a reason from the available options. Here are different options available. You can just go ahead and switch to one of them, and that should change your reason. And the thing is, TikTok may verify that you have physically been in the chosen reason. Then only you can just go ahead and update your reason. You need to verify yourself that you are in the another reason, and you should be able to do so. If you have not made the requirements, you won't be able to change your reason. So make sure you have reached the requirements, and you just need to follow up this process that I just showed, and that should also go ahead and change your TikTok reason or country location. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this method, so don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.